Well, here I am, just showing up to this customer's house because, well, the system's cooling. We just want to clean it up a little bit. And holy shit, that's a lot of bushes. I'm going to talk to the customer because I'm not working on it like this. I'll clear it out, but it's not for free. Okay, they said it's fine. Go ahead and clear it. So I'm going to go ahead and clear up these bushes. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my tree trimmers, and then I'm just going to start cutting off these branches over the top of this thing. Right here. There we go. Make sure you remove the bird's nest. No birds. I'm just going to finish up by pulling all this grass out of here. So the best way to take care of it is just grab it, push it over to the side, and then we can just cut all these little branches one by one and pull them out of here. Okay, I just got it all cleared out, so there's plenty of room over here now. It's real close up to this plant, so the copper comes from the soffit here. So I got plenty of slack to move it over, and then the electrical has plenty of slack. So there's a lot more pad over here than there is over here. I'm just gonna kind of move this over here a little bit to get it off of this plant. Okay, I moved it over. There's a lot more over here, so we got some room. We can get on the back side of this thing, and as you can see, it is extremely dirty. Let's clean it. First thing I'm gonna do is pull the disconnect so this unit doesn't have any power. Now that I got the disconnect pulled, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this front door. Okay, I just got that panel off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this panel. Okay, this thing's all open now, and as you can see, there's a bunch of dirt and grime all over this front lid. You can see it on the blade, all the leaves and stuff inside this AC, in the electrical department, webs, dirt, dust, and then of course what really matters is this coil, and it is dirty. It's got grass all built up in here. Like we saw earlier, the backside is filthy. We can confirm there's no power with NCV, which is non-contact voltage. It would make a mee if it had power, and it doesn't have any power. So let's just be safe by discharging the capacitor. Make sure you hold the rubber end of the screwdriver and just go terminal to terminal. And now we can touch it. And we gotta ask, yo, Bullfrog, how we doing? Okay, I guess not very good. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the screws out of the top of this whole entire thing. Okay, I just removed all the screws out of the top of this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for the fan wires, which is right here. Disconnect them from the contactor and the capacitor. Remember your wiring, pull those 3 wires off. Okay, I just removed them. The black and the purple was on the contactor, the brown was on the capacitor. I removed them off, and now I can just pull them out over on this other side. And now we can just pull up on this top part and it'll come right off. Now that it's nice and loose, I'm just gonna set it right here. And we can get these leaves out of the bottom of this air conditioner. Okay, I mainly got all the leaves and big stuff out of this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the screws out of the bottom of this thing to get this grate off. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this grate. Just like that. Just got the grate removed. So now I'm gonna take my screwdriver and I can just get this grass out of here. Don't hit the coil with it, just get along this edge. Okay, I just went all the way around to get all that gunk of grass and dirt out. Let's go get the water hose hooked up. Okay, we're hooked up. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and get the big stuff, which is in the center here. I'm just gonna wash all this dirt out of here. Okay, I just got the bottom all cleaned out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean out these edges here, and then I can wash the coil. Go along it. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and wash this blanket off, just from the top to the bottom here, just all the way down. Okay, I just went all the way around this thing. So now let's go ahead and spray it from the top to the bottom, from the inside out, and you can just see that water. Let's go. Okay, this thing's washed from the inside out, outside in. The water is, like I said, is just flowing on this thing. It's good. And then the blades, it's got the dirt and grime. I'm just gonna take a rag and water and just wipe it off. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it off first. Get all that grass, dirt off of there. And then I got my shoe booty, which shoe booties wipe pretty good actually. So I'm just gonna get it wet. Okay, there's the dirt. And we're just gonna wipe it like that all the way around. See? Let's get it clean. Okay, I just wiped all the blades off so there's no extra drag on this motor. It can spin nice and freely. Okay, I got this all clean. So now I can go ahead and take this grate and I can put it on the air conditioner. Okay, I just got the grate back on. So let's go ahead and take this and put it back on. Okay, I got it back on. I got the screws already back in it as well. I have not hooked up the fan yet, so I can't forget that. But I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off, this dirt. Okay, I just got all the dirt off. These red dots right here, that's paint, can't get it off, but let's go ahead and rinse this thing down. Wash that dirt off, give it a good rinse. Okay, it's got a good rinse. Thing's looking as new as it can for 1997. I'm gonna go ahead and wire the fan motor back up. So I'm just gonna take these 3 wires and feed them through this hole right here. All right, got them through, and now we can put the wires right back on how they came off. I'm gonna go ahead and put this door back on. Okay, I just got this door back on. I went ahead and took like a brush and I wiped all the spider webs out, and I took a wet rag to wipe out the bottom. So that's all clean, it's all. So let's go ahead and put the disconnect back in. Okay, I put the disconnect back in and I turned it on at the thermostat. System is cooling, it's blowing out some heat, and it's pretty quiet for a 1997. Now that we all got it cleaned back up, it can breathe. For $50, I think they're gonna be happy. Follow me if you guys want more. Appreciate you guys.